Let me introduce you to a fantastic car washing tool, the K2 series foam cannon. This foam cannon is compatible with most car wash machines available. Its upgraded foam nozzle is sturdy and more durable. The adjustable foam nozzle at the front can change the shape of the spray by rotating the nozzle, which in turn changes the shape of the liquid spray. Inside the foam cannon, there is a highly efficient foam filter that ensures the foam produced is rich and delicate. You can adjust the foam concentration by simply rotating the knob on the top. The middle part of the foam cannon is made of hard and wear-resistant brass, ensuring its durability and resistance to corrosion. It also comes with a transparent hose that can be installed and placed inside the foam cannon. With a capacity of 1 liter, this foam cannon is designed to meet your daily car washing needs.